Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Vanellope von Schweet's princess outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the hair. I hope I remember everything. I do need to make some accessory adjustments. Use this hair in no bangs and black, this hair in just bangs and black, and this two in only bangs. Scale it down to 0.42. Then for the outfit, you will need the petal dress in the Queen of Flowers, no silver top. Color it this pink color, EA3F5F, and then this bright pink color, and then this pink color. Then for the outfit, like the top, I'm going to use this one in no lace, no undershirt, no bow, and no details. And then for this one, I think I colored it. Oh my gosh, I don't remember what color. I used this color, I think. And then, yeah, I used this for all the colors, this dark pink. Then I used this VIP item in this color first, I think, and then in silk. And then I did the rest in this pink, dark pink color. Then I also used this top here in this color, this bright color in silk, and then in that darker pink color. Then I also used these sleeves here in only sleeves in that pink color, and then in I think this darker color. Use these gloves in no fur in white. And then we are going to use VIP for the cape thing in no cape in all white except for the last part. I'm going to just color red this pink. Then for the crown, I use this. I did make it a little bit like redder. It's like not super pink. What? I think I did use this color, this one, like a peachy color. And I made it smaller here, and I just adjusted it a little bit. Then for the candy on her hair, I used this, and I just scaled it a little bit, and I positioned it upwards a little as well. Maybe I'll rotate it a little bit too, and I just did like, I think pink and like blue. And then like pink again maybe here, and then blue. And then for the wand, I just used the magical wand here. And I think I just colored it all this color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!